In this video, I will show you how to create a Disney Plus account. To do this, just head over to disneyplus.com on any device, and from there to get started, first enter your email address right here. Then click on Sign Up Now. After doing that, to create an account, enter a password. Then select a subscription plan. So you have premium, standard, and standard with ads. So for example, I'll use the standard with ads one right here. So just select. And then here you can select the payment method you want to use, for example Ideal, and from there click Pay and Subscribe. And after you do that, it will then redirect you. From here just click Start Streaming, then enter your birth date, and now it will take you to Disney Plus, where you can now fully set up your profile. And now you can start watching on Disney Plus. So now you know how to create a Disney Plus account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.